The three wattled bellbird. They're found in Central America, specifically on the highlands and mountains of Costa Rica, western Honduras, Nicaragua, and Panama. They have three worm-like wattles hanging from their mouths, measuring 5 centimeters to 7 centimeters long, and the males usually have a loud, distinctive bell-like call voice. The three wattled bellbird mostly feed on fruits, mostly the wild avocados, and they can weigh over 220 grams. The three wattled bellbird have a lifespan of about 4 to 6 years in the wild.